All right. Hey, everyone. This is your assignment for October 29th. So what you're going to do is you are going to log into your inference assignment. You're going to click here, and it says to log into iLit. Click on the assignment button at the bottom of the page. Go to iPractice. Click on Make an Inference, and then Submit. So I'm going to go over to my iLit account. I'm going to go to the assignments page. I'm going to go over here to iPractice where it says make an inference. Now, if you remember from the slides that you just looked at, an inference is when you take the information that is presented to you in the text and you combine that information with the information you already have in your brain. It's called your background knowledge or your schema. And you put those two together like a math problem, and you come up with a guess or an answer, okay? So what you're gonna do is you are going to read this paragraph right here. You're gonna tell me the four clues, excuse me, and then you're gonna make the inference, okay? And then you're going to submit your answer. That's all you need to do today. Hope you're doing well. Take good care.